Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be talking about some makeup products which will be very suitable for beginners. So if you are someone who doesn't want to invest too much in makeup but still want some good products, then this is the video for you. So before starting the video, if you're here on my channel for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe and also press the like button. So all the products that I'll be talking about today will be below ₹1,000 and will be available on most online sites like Nykaa, Amazon, etc. So without further delay, let's move on to the video, and I'll be starting off with primer. And it is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So a primer helps your makeup last longer and also will provide a very smooth surface for the foundation to glide on. So primers are basically really important. This primer really blurs the pores and it's awesome. It's just awesome. I don't remember the exact prices of the products, but I'll list down in the description box or somewhere here. So make sure to check the description box also. Now for foundation, one of my favorite is this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. And this one is for normal to oily skin. This one is a really long lasting and very easily blendable foundation. Now for concealer, again I have from Maybelline Fit Me range, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 20 Sand Sable. I highly recommend this concealer for beginners, and if you have dark spots or pigmentation, this is the product for you. For compact, I have this L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact, and this is one of my favorite again. This compact also gives a little bit of coverage, which is a great thing. The packaging is super cute and very travel friendly, and you also have a mirror here which makes it very travel friendly. For blush, I have this Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. This is a beautiful blush and is really pigmented. For day wear, you can use it a little and it will give a fresh glow to your skin, and for night time you can just build it up. For contour, I have this Wet n Wild Megaglo contour palette, and this is in the shade Dulce de Leche. This has got two shades. One is kind of banana shade and the other is contour shade, and is absolutely perfect for Indian skin tone. For highlighter, this one is my favorite one, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. This is priced at ₹899, but buy it during Nykaa sale. You will get awesome discounts. This is again very pigmented and is very good for Indian skin tone. Next for eyeshadow, I have this Maybelline The Nudes palette. This is a little pricey but is totally worth it. The pigmentation, the color payoff, everything is super awesome. And it has shades like black and some champagne color, gold, all the nudes it has. And you can easily create a smoky eye look with this palette. This is very travel friendly, and if you're traveling somewhere, you can just carry this palette and you will be good to go. Only one drawback is I wish they had a mirror here. Anyway, it also comes with a brush here, which I kind of lost it. And the brush is also quite nice. It is not that bad. Next for eyebrows, I have this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, I guess. And this is again a very, very nice eyebrow pencil. Now for kajal, I have my all-time favorite Plum Nachor Kajal. This is absolutely gorgeous, super pigmented, long stay, and glides heavenly. You can see. Now for eyeliner, I have two options. If you want a matte eyeliner, you can go with the Wet n Wild Pro, Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner and glides very easily and is very easily applied and also stays for a long time. You can see the pigmentation is also really good. The second one is a glossy variety. This is the Nykaa Black Magic Eyeliner, and there is a super long stay eyeliner. This is a glossy eyeliner and is very pigmented again, and has a flexible wand. Now next comes one product which I cannot live without, that is the mascara. Now for day-to-day basis, I use the Lakme Iconic Eyes Mascara, and that is because this gives long lash effect but still keeps it very natural, and that's what I need in the day. And the second one is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, and this gives more of a dramatic effect to the lashes, I would say, so that is for the nighttime look. Now on the lips, I have one liquid lipstick and one regular lipstick to talk about. For the liquid variety, I have the Sugar Smudge Me Not Range Color Lipstick, and this is in the shade Plum Yum. This is one very bright, peachy, plum kind of shade. And this is the shade that I have on my lips right now. This is again one super long stay product. For the regular one, I have it from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Touch of Spice 660. This is again a very nice rosy, dusty rosy kind of shade, which is very good, which looks very good in the daytime. So that are all the products that I have to talk about, and I hope you liked this video and found it useful. And if you did, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you still have not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.